Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you how to create AI images using Ideogram 2.0. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, we're on the homepage of Ideogram and you can sign up here on Ideogram entirely free of charge using, for example, your Google account. And once you're inside, you will be given the opportunity to ask the artificial intelligence to create realistic and stunningly beautiful AI artwork for you based on some input information so that you don't need to do any of the art creation work yourself. So start by typing in your prompt here into this field where it says describe what you want to see. For demonstration purposes, I will go with a prompt like that here. And after that, guys, click on this generate button here to the right. Just make sure you provide a descriptive and detailed prompt here to make it easier for the AI to deliver some quality work. Also, guys, remember that generating images or artwork here through Ideogram costs credits, and as a free member here in Ideogram, you have a limited amount of these credits available per month, so take that in consideration too. And lastly, do some minor adjustments here. For example, select your aspect ratio like 9:16, 1:1, or 16:9. Set the visibility of your art creation like public or private. Select your image generation model, which would be in this case here Ideogram 2.0. And once you're ready, click on that button here. Wait for the artificial intelligence to finish creating your artwork, and after a couple of seconds, enjoy the fruits of your work. Now guys, as you can see, one prompt costs 2 credits and gives you 4 image generations or versions of image generations, and you're free to download these on your computer and to use them for your personal or commercial purposes. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.